Iliava mal faalalo et tawai. Ao faatalia fo ia tatou faaiunga. Malolon sa. Betty sumai. Tuloa se upu e toia i maua. O maua, whana wina ni mātua lele. E iei fo i o mātina. E iei taimi o soifuanga. E le lau lele pea. There's always good times and bad times. But us mothers always come through. We have a special lady in the audience. She has been that. We don't want to be overly dramatic about this because it comes from the heart. After schooling, she began teaching. She started having her family, just like anyone else up here. She had gone through bad times. She had gone through good times. All these years, she has always set a role model. And I'm not going to go too long to that. She doesn't know we are doing this for her. But we want you to know the American Samoa National Olympic Committee would love to honor her tonight. She may be sophisticated. She may be sometimes look sad when things just don't go right, but she just wants to do her best. Some of her children are always there with her. It is an honor for me and Piti Mamaya to call up the president of the American Samoa National Olympic Committee. He comes from a good family. Like I said before, his parents are always there for him. Toloa'i Joseph Ho Ching. His parents are Charles and Talaitupu Ho Ching. Would like to call upon the Secretary General of the National Olympic Committee of American Samoa, Ken Tupua. They will present this award. Ken Tupua, he also comes from a good family. And at this time, would like to call on the girls to bring these special, yes, it's not much. I'm sure you're all wondering who she is. Tauia ina tauaneai. Se tau tua whaale lava le NOC. E amana ia ilo tau tinga. Pamalia whenoa o watu umuli le fionga le kovana sili. Ai atonu e mai mo mai la wa fionga le lupenga i le televise. Mātou te alolofa ia te oe. Mātou te whaailoa e whaasila sila atu. O le wana maua le nei whailonga. O le tina mua mua o Amerika Samoa. Pale tua le fionga le kovana sili. O le mātou whaaloalo maualunga. Se a se mea o le a mātou whaapale hei se tina o Samoa. A o lea o lo e sa o i o mali e pati le pale tua le fionga le kovana sili. Na Lutali.
Would you please come up? I think it's only appropriate that we honor the First Lady of our country, the First Wife, and the First Mother. And if we could have our First Lady come up to the stage, and we'd like to present the gift that we have. I think it's very appropriate before crowning our first Mrs. American Samoa that in her capacity as the First Lady of our country, the First Wife of our country, and the First Mother, that she do this honor for us. And we'd like to present these gifts as our gratitude to her for all the service that she has done to American Samoa. Ele fa pale ne se le afio nga manga ano lona tingala lo foi yalo tutuila manua umpaye ampalia ia nei palalo afafta yatu le afio nga Susana, our first lady, first mother, and the first wife we are all proud of, Miss Susana Lutali. And we have this plaque that we want to present to her. The plaque. As we honor all the mothers tonight, I dare say that the governor would not be governor twice had not been for the love, for the counsel, and for the support of Mrs. Susana Lutali, and for this all of American Samoa wishes her the best, and we honor her tonight as our First Lady, Mrs. Susana Lutali. Fatailia Lofa.
Ese tu mai tasi sepati-pati le China o Amerika Samoa le uloi China le mo le nei po